Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change between heat and cool on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get into this video instructional tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you specifically how to change between heat and cool on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get into this. So essentially your heat mode is going to be when your furnace turns on or your heat pump and heats up the house. Your cool mode is going to be when your air conditioner turns on to cool down the house. Now, obviously, depending on where you live and the temperature changes and so forth, you might be switching between these regularly. Or, where I live, essentially, you have your furnace on. I live in Toronto, Ontario, in Canada. So essentially, I like to keep the furnace on, throughout the winter months. And then there's a period of time in which nothing will be on when it's like just a good temperature outside. We just use the windows. And then the air conditioner will be on in the summer. And then once again, another period of time in which nothing will be on, and then the furnace and so forth. So we kind of go back and forth, but not like, we'll go like, it'll be on heat now for the next several months, right? But you should know how to change it. It's really, really easy. There are some buttons down here, okay? You want to find the one that says mode, which is right over here. I'm going to push it once to illuminate the screen. As you push mode, it will cycle through between heat, cool, off. Heat, cool, off. I'm going to leave mine on heat because it's pretty cold right now, so I want to make sure I leave it on heat mode. But that's how to cycle between the options. Essentially, if you push it and you cycle, let's say you want to change from heat to cool, you'll push it, you'll go to cool and you'll leave it. However, I'm going to keep going until I get back to heat. But, wherever you want to stop, you just leave it and it will automatically choose that mode. Okay, you can leave it as off as well. I'm going to leave it on heat mode. But that's how to cycle between heat and cool. You might also have other options. If you have like a heat pump, you might have like, radiant heating. There's like emergency heating and stuff like that. There's different options, but I just have those options. But essentially, that's how to change between heat and cool on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, an easy tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.